Guys, I didn't even get a chance to record, but we're here where we're gonna be doing. We got to ride some quads, y'all. I think this is the trail. That looks like one of the bikes over there. We got these to cover our faces from the dirt. Guys, you don't want to take your hair down, Bubba. You don't want to take your hair down.
I forgot. Hi. I'm watching. Acho ah maka debban ni de mun bëggee rek.
Time for it.
Nga debban ni jëm leen pour ba xam buñ bëggee rek.
So cute.
Hello, my friend. Fine.
So
Fine,
cute.
nice.
Bubba, look at you.
Wow.
So cute. Look at you. Do I have to hold on? Are you going to zoom off too fast? What?
Oh, that's not gonna be too crazy.
Okay. Look at Bubba driving me on the quads, bro. So pretty. Guys, this is hot though. I ain't even gonna lie. Ooh. It's so hot. It's too hot to be having your face covered. But I like this though. Are you hot?
A little bit, but I already know once we start going, the breeze is gonna make me good.
Okay. So we're about to take a tour, guys. This is our tour guide right here. Off, guys! Ah! It's fast. Let me keep my purse on me then, bro. Bro, I can't believe it!
Look at the camera.
Bubba! Oh my god! It is! It's camels, y'all! They just lounging over here. No! Guys, we made a pit stop over here by this beautiful beach. So,
Bro, this too lit.
it really is, bro. I have to hold on to Elijah so fast. These are so fast. And it's big. It can hold 2 people. So, yeah.
I'm trying to float that.
Yes, he trying to do too much. The little man is telling him to chill out.
He's scared, bro. You can't drive how I drive.
He told him to chill out, but it's fun. So, guys, this is all salt. This is all salt from the lake over here. Look at that. Look at all of it. It's real soft.
Okay, so this salt right here. This is what they use for what's it called? Like
Saline.
no. This is what they use for the snow. This sand right here, they send this to like countries who have snow. They put it on the ground.
They're getting the salt out of the water. And then they're going to ship it to places and do things with the salt. Let's see. Is this the seawater? This is seawater.
Die mooie dag. Laat die wel een dag ci meer.
Non, ndox lacrose.
Ndox lacrose.
Mer bi moom lañ jugee fële sànq.
Ok, kon lii ak ndox boobu bokk.
Non non. Mais fee nag mooy remplir. Système souterrain. Léegi nag bu koy remplir eau douce lay doon. Du doon ndox bu saf xorom. Ndox bi muy dugal fii. Parce que suuf si moo koy filtré. Fii nii ñoo koy filtré.
Kon ndox bi mer la jógee.
Mer la jógee.
Ok.
Mais sur les dunes nag filtré par les dunes. Ce qui fait que
so looy def. What? Acha!
Okay.
What you about to do, babe?
About to ride the horse. He's hitting me. He's paying.
okay. Jàppal ko foofu.
I put my foot in here.
This foot.
This one. Okay. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
We on horses and that. Babe. She said she trying to hold on.
I am. This makes him move faster. Yeah, how he do that?
How you feeling, babe?
I feel good.
Let's get them, boys.
Do this all the time.
Just me and my horse. Nah. Man, you out here doing big things, bro.